Meaning of independent school.
Independent school.
Independent school.
Independent school.
Independent school. The term independent school refers to a type of private educational institution that operates independently of government control and funding. Independent schools are typically funded through tuition fees, donations, and endowments. These schools often have smaller class sizes and may offer more specialized academic programs or extracurricular activities. Students at independent schools may also have access to a wider range of resources and facilities compared to public schools. Overall, independent schools provide families with an alternative option to public education and allow for greater flexibility in terms of curriculum and teaching methodologies.